Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is how sleep impacts productivity. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not sleeping properly, it means you are deteriorating your own health. You are deteriorating your own body. In today's 24/7 atmosphere, when almost all the organizations are working 24/7, people are rarely finding any time to spend with their family or to get a good amount of sleep. This is natural human body, ladies and gentlemen, and human body requires sleep. More elaborately, I should say that human body requires rest. And if you are working consistently and you are not devoting time to sleep, it is going to impact your body. And when body gets impacted, the mind automatically gets impacted. If the body is not functioning properly, mind will also not work properly, and its bad impact will be visible on your work. In your office, your creativity will be lost, your concentration will be low on your task, and people will start forgetting that once you were a dedicated personality towards your task. So please devote some time to sleep. Now, I understand this fact that in this 24/7 atmosphere, people are working in night shifts, morning shifts, and afternoon shifts. Even sometimes they have to extend their shifts. But still, when you are at home, utilize that time in sleeping. The amount of time that you have devoted to your office hours, the amount of energy that you have spent over there, please regain that energy by sleeping when you are free at your home. So when you are free, sleep at your home, take rest, eat healthy food. Please get rid of junk food, always eat healthy food, and take a certain amount of rest. When our mind is not free of burden, we cannot concentrate thoroughly on a task, and you can clearly analyze this in your own personal life. When you have not taken a proper rest, and without taking rest, when you take up a task, you start feeling gradually that you are not able to concentrate on that task. You are not able to perform that task in a better way. It feels like you are able to do the task, but still, because of sleep, you are not able to do it. And if the productivity gets impacted, the finances of the company, they get impacted. And when finances get impacted, the seniors and superiors, they try to find out that because of whom we have achieved these financial losses. And when they come to know that it is because of you they have received financial losses, you will get fired from the organization. And at that time, you cannot explain your seniors and superiors that since you were sleepy, you are not getting proper rest, and that is why you are not able to work efficiently. You will simply get fired from the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, we take this thing very lightly in life. But this is nothing to be taken lightly. This is something to be taken very seriously. Please take care of your health. Please take care of your health. If you are not healthy, it is going to impact your productivity. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, many instances have happened in the past in corporate world where people were fired because of this. They were not able to work efficiently since they were sleepy in office. They got fired, and management was not ready to listen that they felt sleepy because they were not able to take proper rest because of overburden of work. So please take rest. Even if the work is heavy, even if the working hours are more, still, it is your responsibility in your personal life to take time for yourself and devote a good time to rest, to sleep. Please take a good sleep. It will improve your health. It will improve your concentration at work. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.